The tennis tournament at the 2020 Summer Olympics will feature 193 players in 5 events, singles and doubles for both men and women, and the return of mixed doubles for the third consecutive time. The hard court surface at the 2020 Tokyo Olympic Games was announced to be DecoTurf, chosen by the Tokyo Organizing Committee. This marks the 5th time the surface will be utilized for the Olympic Games. To be eligible, a player must meet certain requirements related to play on Davis Cup or Billie Jean King Cup teams. Qualification for the singles competitions is based primarily on the world rankings of 14 June 2021, with 56 players entering each of the men's and women's events. 6 of the remaining 8 slots are to be allocated by continent for knocks with no other qualifiers. The final 2 spots are reserved, one for the host nation and one for a previous Olympic gold medalist or Grand Slam champion. In the men's and women's doubles competitions, 32 teams are scheduled to compete. Up to 10 places are reserved for players in the top 10 of the doubles ranking, who could select any player from their knock, ranked in the top 300 in either singles or doubles. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.